part 2 of the electric trike bike. Still had to do a little finishing up on the underneath. Had a lot of welding to do yet. The stuff that I had missed when we did the top side and got everything kind of mounted and put together. So I had Brian go ahead and finish all that stuff up. I spent a couple hours underneath there. We just flipped it over and trying to go around them corners and keep it nice and pretty. You know, it's kind of difficult. So you know, he's pretty good at it. He's learned well, which of course he's learned from me. So that helps a lot. You know, young grasshopper. You know, wax on, wax off, sort of thing. Anyway, got that wrapped up. While he was doing that, we still had to mount the battery boxes, and we had to mount everything for the brake and the gas and the throttle control, and then had to put the charger box in, and we had to put the battery holder in. So yeah, while Brian was sitting there spool gunning everything, I went ahead and got everything set up for that. The next thing we had to do was make the plate to attach the brake pedal and the throttle assembly, which I found a perfect piece of plate. Just had to take it outside, put a precision bend on it, you know, because everything done at Gerling and Sons is precision. So, you know, I kind of bent it back and forth a little bit, beat it with a hammer, and it was precise enough for me anyway. So we got that all lined up, took her over to the Bridgeport, put that piece in. I had to cut a little notch out for everything, for clearance issues and stuff like that. So, of course, there's some more precision work. So I had to have Brian, he came over and helped me because I was going in while he was cranking out, and we were trying to cut this hole and make it look decent anyway. It's not as good as I would have liked it to have been, but there again, you know, precision work. We got that all solved, got her bolted in there, put it together, and accelerator, we thought that was going to really be a pain in the butt, so we were going to go underneath and do some sort of cable system or something like that, but we ended up lining it up with the actual throttle itself, and the throw of them things were identical, so we were able to just weld a rod from one to the other, and they're both tied together, so they move in unison. I mean, just beautifully. It couldn't have worked any better than that. I believe we got everything wrapped up on this thing as far as the welding parts of it, so now he's got to take it off and have the wiring part of it done. So I'm expecting it to see it come rolling up in our driveway here any day. I'd like to drive it myself, maybe. If he makes it from his house to our shop, then I'll drive it. If not, I don't know, but yeah, we're done with it. Hopefully get the electric done and get her down here, and hopefully this thing will start driving. Damn it, Phil, quit calling me.